The whole master plan is we're going to build this new factory. We're going to ship Teslas. We're going to put our own drivers in these Teslas. Let's call it our investment managers in-house. And then once we're good, we're going to open it up. We're going to let other people drive this technology out of our operating system. And so the goal is that we can power the whole shebang. So if someone wants, and in particular, offer people things that never came out of the factory before. So if you're Joe Percoco from Hillsborough, New Jersey, who went to Penn and Goldman and couldn't figure anything out, and in particular couldn't get into venture, you can then go to a platform like Titan and finally get access, for instance, to a venture-like product. So for me, the thing I think about is like, all right, 10 years forward, 20 years forward, what do we absolutely know is true about the customer? And then work backwards. So the Treys and the Joes of the world, they will want better user experiences, not worse. They will want access to a full menu, not less.